Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming the tag is NDEF compatible and has enough memory for your new link. This matters because some tags are read-only or limited. Once done, open an NFC utility and read the current record, saving a backup copy so you can restore if needed. Make sure the tag is unlocked for writing. If it's locked, you'll need to remove lock or use a writable spare. You're now ready to prepare the new URI payload and check its byte length. You'll now craft the new URL, keeping it short to fit the tag's capacity. When possible, use HTTPS for security. Next, choose an NDEF URI record in your NFC tool and paste the exact link. Explain why. The NDEF format tells devices how to open it automatically. Then position the tag on your device and perform the write. After the write completes, the app should show success. If it fails, retry once and check battery, NFC field alignment, and that the tag wasn't locked during the write. You finish by testing the tag on multiple devices to confirm it opens the intended link. Different phones handle NFC differently, so verify Android and iOS behavior. If tapping does not open the URL, make sure the NDEF record contains a correctly encoded URI and that there's no extra metadata obstructing launch. If issues persist, check lockbits. Some tags become permanently write-protected, and confirm your NFC app has the required permissions. One key tip: if nothing works, try a fresh N tag that you can guarantee is writable.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.